Alright guys, we got the GoPro rolling, and all the wiring's done, pretty much. I have to wire up these little two things here, and we're done.
It's all done, but pretty much I gotta do the rest.
Yeah. Grip's fixed. All this is fixed. Is the slide going down all the way?
No.
It's not?
No. But I think it's supposed to, but I think we're gonna try it.
Alright, well, we're gonna finish up this wiring here, put the gas tank on, and I'm gonna take it for a ride, if it'll start. I hope it starts. Alright guys, so we got the gas tank on, really tight and secure gas in it. Gas is the carb. We're gonna try to suck her out. Oh, air filter.
Really tight.
It's really tight. Alright, so he'll take a video me starting up. Test one, the Pitbike. It's probably gonna idle really high. So slippery.
The brakes work? Well, you shouldn't have done that.
What?
Now you gotta kickstart it again.
I don't know. It's really shaky.
Can I try it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Alright, JF Mo's trying it out. It runs decently. You have to adjust the idle.
Got the seat on the front shrouds. You want to go take it for a rip. Really loud though. It picks up in every single gear without even trying. Why'd you shut it off?
Alright guys, so we got it back in. I don't remember if I told you guys, but I cut the exhaust off. It's all just pretty much sitting there, but we did get it to run. I'll fire it up quick for you guys. Oh. Can't fucking cut. Here, hold this. We did get it to idle a little bit better. We had used a different throttle cable and cut it and stuff, but what is neutral? What is neutral? So yeah, it does run. I guess he killed it. I told him not to.
I thought this was...
No, I mean keep going. I just to put more plastics on it. None of this is even on here. We just fucking threw it on here and got lazy because we got it running good. So, well, not good. But we gotta figure out how to bolt up all these plastics and then it'll be done from there, pretty much. Still need a few bolts here and there for everything, but overall, pretty happy on that. So, thanks for watching, guys.